How can you improve your chances of securing that investment event that your business requires? Or how to improve your business outcomes before large capital or operational expenditures? An August Brown feasibility study can do just that. Most investments supported by new market tax credits or USDA loans, as well as certain types of USDA grants, require a feasibility study. Our team of experts approach these studies from technical, business, and legal perspectives in order to identify potential weaknesses and mitigate risk. Our market analysis and financial forecasting provide clients with a comprehensive understanding of their project's potential. We also offer counsel to strengthen the outcome of the deal. Best of all, the cost of the feasibility study can be covered directly through loan closing fees, allowing you to enhance financial outcomes without incurring additional expenses. Start with a no-obligation assessment. Contact us today at augustbrown.com.